Okay, so if you're having problems typing in the search box, then try this. So you want to go into your local C drive folder. Basically, it's usually there, or you can go into this PC, open it up there, go to Windows, find your System32 file. There, CTF-mon is what we're looking for. There it is, CTF-mon. So we're going to create a shortcut to the desktop, as you can see there. Now I'm going to go to local disk again, or this PC, just to get into your Windows files. And then I'm going to go to Program Data, which is that. Find Microsoft, and then Windows. So Microsoft, Windows, Start menu, Programs, and Start Up. Just minimize that page and copy it to it. That's all we have to do. Next time we start up, it should be alright.